Hello YouTubers and welcome to my channel. This is the Prince of Forex. This is the part 2 of the heart of the market. Now, listen carefully. Let's read some part of the book. Do you remember going to the market with your dad and mom when you're small, and you asked them to get you a toy and they told you no, it's expensive, and you asked them to get you something else and they said okay, that means it's cheap? Institutional traders are the big traders. They move the market. They buy things when they are cheap in value, and they sell things when they are expensive in value. Now, at every key price level, which is here, anywhere you see price bounces off, breaks, that's a key price level, and you can see them and you can see it on your chart on the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. These are charts, daily chart pattern, monthly chart patterns. Those are the chart levels, the time frames you stay to see this key price level. When the price bounces off on there or breaks, those places, just mark them out. They're important. They're key price levels. Institutional levels, they're watching it. Institutions are watching it. Now, when price gets to this level, let's say here, a consensus is being carried out before it goes up, and that consensus will determine if they should buy or not. They want to know if the asset is cheap or not, and it takes a lot of fundamental data and what the central banks are saying before they make this decision, before they buy. Remember, I told you that institutional traders only buy things when they are cheap and sell them off when they are expensive. Now, the central banks are like the producers. They send out what should be produced out there from the decisions, interest rate decisions, monetary policies, and the manufacturers and the wholesalers are the institutional traders. They buy and sell using the decisions of the central banks to know what they will do. Now, they only buy when it is cheap and sell when it is expensive, and they do take their positions from these levels. Now you know the levels where they trade from. Now, what do we do as retail traders? We have to wait for the consensus to be over and we join the trade. You get the point? At every key price level, a consensus is being carried out. We wait as retail traders, wait for confirmations, and we take the trade alongside with them. Subscribe, and in part 3 I'll be giving you practical demonstrations on how to mark out key price levels that the institutional traders are watching, how to monitor the consensus to know if something is cheap or expensive, and 3, how to place a trade. Subscribe. This is the Prince of Forex. Thank you.